Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add a theme to your store. Click the store icon and go to online store button. Choose manage all themes. It will take some time. So here we are. Select your theme according to your product. Click the add button and installing the theme. Wait for a while. You can also customize your theme by pressing the customize icon. You can also edit the section like here, announcement bar, header. And here from theme setting, you can also add your social media account for link. Okay, you can also edit your text, each and everything according to your theme or your store or your product. Okay, you can manage all the you can manage all theme settings from here, like you can add logo. Okay, you can you can also select the colors, the layout, button, which type. You can also add the button, layout, product card, and lot more, much more. And much more. So I hope so changes saved. Okay, so that's it for now. Stay tuned for more tutorial. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.